In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Notion. Backing up your Notion workspace is one of the most important habits you can build, especially if you rely on it for notes, projects, or your business. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to back up a single Notion page, along with all of its subpages, so you always have a safe copy stored outside of Notion. First, open the Notion page you want to back up. This can be anything: a personal dashboard, a project document, or a database page. Make sure you're on the main page you care about, not just a sub-page inside it, because in a moment we'll choose whether to include all those sub-pages in the backup. Once your page is open, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots in a row. This is the page menu that holds a lot of useful options. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. Inside this menu, look for the option labeled Export. This is the feature that lets you download a copy of the page to your computer. Go ahead and click Export. A small window will pop up with a few export settings you can customize. Now you'll choose the format for your backup. For most people, the best option is Markdown and CSV. This format is flexible, easy to open with many different apps, and works well if you ever want to import your content somewhere else. If you prefer something more visual and ready to read in a browser, you can choose HTML instead. That will export the page as a web-style document. Next, decide whether you want to include subpages. If this page contains nested pages, like detailed project notes or related documents, turning on Include Subpages ensures everything under that main page is bundled into one backup. This is especially useful for complex workspaces where a lot of your organization lives in those nested pages. After you've chosen the format and decided about subpages, you're ready to create the backup. Click the Export button. Notion will prepare your files, and then your browser will download a zip file to your computer. This zip file contains all the content from that page, organized in folders and files. From here, you can move that zip file into a cloud drive, an external hard drive, or wherever you keep your important backups. Repeat this process for any other key pages you want to protect, and you'll have a reliable backup of your Notion content whenever you need it.